Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to put about t equals to negative s. So we know that s approaches to negative infinity. So I will put negative sign go in here. So we put negative t to change for s. So negative and negative, we simplify for the both sides. So t approach to positive infinity. So this one, we change for this one. S, we change for negative t. This one, we change for negative t. And this one too. So negative and negative, we have positive. Negative and negative, we have positive. So this one we can do about factorization by t to the power of 3. So t to the power of 3 with the square root. So we have t to the power of 3 over 2. This one we can put like this. And this one that is about 3 over 2. Now we need to simplify this one over this one. Next, when t approaches to positive infinity, number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. And now we have the final answer. And this one we have negative 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.